The VA loan is a home financing option that can be used in various ways, depending on the specific type of loan chosen. For example, the VA purchase loan is typically used for purchasing a new or existing home and offers a 0% down payment, making it an attractive option for those looking to buy a home. This loan option is not limited to specific properties, giving borrowers more flexibility in their home search. In contrast, the VA interest rate reduction refinance loan is limited to refinancing and is only available to qualified VA loan homeowners, allowing them to refinance up to 90% of their property's value. However, this loan option does not permit borrowers to take out cash, making it a good choice for those looking to refinance their existing loan and reduce their interest rate. Additionally, homeowners with non-VA mortgages can use this loan as a rate and term refinance option. Another option is the VA Energy Efficient Mortgage, which can be used to upgrade a home's energy efficiency. Overall, using a VA loan for housing can be a straightforward process, with various options available to suit different needs and circumstances.